Welcome to today's Echelon Experience, your daily source for headline news. This is Kimberly Lee with your update for today. Today, the White House stated that the U.S. is actively working to eliminate the threat posed by Iran, focusing on destroying its missile capabilities and preventing it from obtaining nuclear weapons. The ongoing conflict has seen significant military actions, with both the U.S. and Israel conducting strikes against Iranian targets. The ongoing war has significantly degraded Iran's military capabilities, including the loss of key military leaders and infrastructure due to airstrikes by the U.S. and Israel. However, Iran still retains missile and drone capabilities, plus manpower, indicating that it has not yet been completely neutralized. The FBI has warned that Iran may attempt a surprise drone attack on the West Coast, targeting California in retaliation for U.S. military actions. This warning was based on intelligence suggesting Iran's aspirations to launch unmanned aerial vehicles from an unidentified vessel offshore. This story is developing, and we will update you as events unfold. And that'll do it for today's Echelon Experience. Join us on the Montaga podcast for more every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, 8 p.m. Eastern, on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, X, and Rumble. See you then.